Well, that is, it looks like a Neolithic fish hook. Check it out, but I'll zoom in. Go back to normal zoom first. 1 second. Yeah, that's not wood. That's bone. That is a long time ago. Someone actually used this as a fish hook, but it was probably in much better shape than. That's good enough to go into the school. Yeah. Oh my gosh, they have a whole collection of artifacts that are encased in glass and wooden. Encased in glass and wood for the students to learn from, so that would be an excellent addition to it. My mitt back on. My fingers are starting to burn. Yeah, you'd be surprised what a person could find here. I found a Neolithic art here. It was a bone head with almost what looked like false art carved onto the bottom of it. Very old rock art drawn into the bottom of it. The same art you can find in the caves in France. So you never know what you're actually going to find coming out through here. Oh, I was hoping to find some beads laying on the surface up here, but I don't think that's going to happen. It's been 2 days since I found the bead. The last one was that 1920s bead in that gully out front. The beads that were washing down here seem to stop washing down here. There's the sun. Yep, that little spot up there. Yeah, it's okay to take your glove off, pick something up, but you gotta put the mitt right back on. Otherwise your finger starts burning. Doesn't look like anything at the moment, but I brought my trowel down and see if I can do some digging. And see if any beads pop up or something. Oh well. Up. Brown and muddy. Okay, I gotta put the camera away. The weather's not really cooperating for the camera. If I find anything, I will certainly film.